Good morning from Valencia. So, got an interesting for you today. An interesting one for you today. I'm mixing my words. I need another coffee. I've been invited to go and eat some donuts. So we're gonna do that. People saw that I was in Valencia. Obviously, you know, I posted up on my Instagram and stuff like that, and invitations come out of the woodworks left, right, and center. I get a lot of chicas is hitting me up, to be honest, but sometimes I get cool invitations from other influencers and from stores like this lovely lady at this donut shop. So that's what today's little daily vlog is going to be about, guys. I'm going to go eat some donuts and check that out, and I'm going to obviously do another little video for the store when I get there. I might even do a video in Spanish. We'll see when I get there. It's a bit of a drive over. I've also got to go check out a car, but the guy hasn't gotten back to me yet, so it could be a bit dodgy. Anyway, that's the day. I'm in Valencia, cruising around, going to eat some donuts. Yeah. So we've pretty much come out of the main central part now of Guacara, and now we're driving through what looks like the suburbs, to get to this lady's house to try these donuts. Next
Take
one.
the second right.
Second right, brother. And we're following out Google Maps to get us to this lady's house. Let's check it out, guys. So, guys, we've arrived. This is the lovely lady's house. This is Adriana. She's the lady that's invited me into her humble little home here to try her donuts. So obviously it's a little family business that she's starting off. So I'm excited to go in and start filming for her. I'm going to do videos for her in Spanish as well in this little place. So yeah, but I just thought I'd vlog the experience in English as well to show you guys. How cool is this?
Antonio.
Hola amigo, soy Phill.
No me grabes, no me grabes.
That's chistoso.
¿Y desde cuándo estás aquí en Venezuela?
¿Cómo?
¿Desde cuándo estás aquí en Venezuela? ¿Desde cuándo?
Desde cuando yo llegué un poco semanas atrás, pero yo conocí a Venezuela bastante.
Sí,
Ahora yo llegué con la familia el año pasado porque yo estoy casado con venezolana y nosotros viviendo en Australia por 13 años, pero ya nosotros preferimos vivir aquí, entonces compré una casa aquí y vivir más tranquilo acá en Madrid.
¿Y te sientes bien aquí?
Yo siempre me gusta Venezuela, yo siempre encanta Venezuela y yo siempre quiero un día moverme por acá. Y cosas fue más difícil allá en Australia.
No, él abre más, pero no sé por qué no me quiere.
No, esa lámpara pesa mucho.
¿Con la lámpara?
Luego podemos poner la lámpara ahí con una silla, con una...
Sí, está fino, gracias.
Esta es la lámpara.
So yeah, I'm just giving the lady a rundown of what my life story is here. But how nice is this? They've invited us in, and I'm more than happy to help a small business to help them grow. So it's really cool. They invited me to eat donuts, free donuts. So I'm all about that. And what I'm going to do is like more of a professional video in Spanish for the lady. So.
Bosque Valencia. ¿Hacia dónde salía?
No.
Ya va. Dari,
Yo voy aquí.
¿me puedes traer la esencia nata? Está arriba, ¿dónde está el café?
So right now I'm just doing a little Spanish film for the lady, like another little video that you'll see in Spanish on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm just basically here doing a little video for the lady. I'm going to eat some free donuts. So this is the cool little house. They're very nice people. And yeah, this is today's adventure, guys. This is today's vlog. So how interesting is that? We're just going through all the steps now. She's making the donuts. And at the moment I'm actually switching in and out, both Spanish. I'm recording a little bit in English for you guys and then doing Spanish videos as well. So we'll follow the process through today. See?
Huele.
Cool. Oh, rico. So we're just having a little break in between filming, and the gentleman here is going to make me a nice coffee. Where's this called? The Café de Cucuy. Bicucuy. This coffee's from
Portuguesa.
From the estado Portuguesa. It's one of the states here. So yeah, really nice coffee, very nice people here. And check it out, they got the little light here. They're like full semi-professional. It's pretty sick. So yeah, we're doing donuts. We're making donuts, and you'll be able to see the video. I don't know which one will go up first. You may have seen it already. But yeah, we're having fun, and we're going to make donuts and eat donuts, and they're just lovely people, and it's another cool adventure. I'm here doing it again today. So yeah, man. This here, guys, is called Café Colado. This is real Venezuelan coffee. Huh?
¿En Maturín toman así café?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
Todo Venezuela, sí. Hasta en Australia, nosotros llevaron colador así, pues hasta en Australia. Lo
¿Y
mismo.
en Australia toman con cafetera? No toman café.
No, No, en Australia, usualmente la gente toma instante. And what's this? Wow.
La 12
okay.
35 milímetros con un lente 250-25.
It's all wow. It's all happening here. So the gentleman here used to be in. ¿Cómo se llama, señor? Antonio Phill. Disculpe. So my friend Antonio here, he used to do filmography and video filming and stuff, and here is a very old photo of him doing his thing back in the day, and he actually helped out. He's the one who set up the light and stuff here that you can see today. So they know what they're doing. It helped out a lot. So yeah, he used to be a professional film photographer and all of these things. So yeah, very interesting to know. Anyway, the gentleman's just made me a coffee. I'm going to drink this lovely coffee. We're going to keep filming. We've got a bunch of stuff to get to today. We're going to make all these donuts and keep making our nice little video for the lady. Y ahora estamos en la parte de...
Ay, Dios mío.
Está busy, ¿viste?
Ya va,
Clientes.
por mi llamada si quiere.
Mira, que la levadura, lo que sea,
Es que...
So we've just done the whole donut video thing in Spanish. I must say, I think I've done alright. I think my Spanish is getting better. We'll see when it comes out. So that's the finished product there. We went through, we done all the mass and everything. I jumped in, I got involved. Now the gentleman's going to make us a nice coffee. We're going to enjoy some delicious donuts. I'll do all that in Spanish as well. So we're all here having a full day of filming and vlogging. As I said, you know, I'm doing 2 videos. I'm doing English and Spanish at the same time, so it's a fun day here. But yeah, what a cool way to spend it, man. And after this, who knows what the day will bring. On to the next adventure.
El café puro, bueno, yo visité, estaba en la fábrica, yo hice un video que en la fábrica estaban moliendo el café, lo tenían secando, te dan café de degustación.
So we're still here. Look, so these are donuts. This is where we're going to fly them.
Nosotros tuvimos también, ¿verdad?
Now I'm going to keep going with the video. Yeah, going to switch back to Spanish now, turn it off a bit. So everyone's still just talking here, having a good time, chilling out. It's pretty easy. But right now we're going to start filming again.
Ay, no, bueno. Él trabaja.
These are little donuts that we're about to eat, guys. Mad. How good's that? So yeah, we're almost getting to the end of the video part now. We've done the frying, we've done all that, we've gone through all the steps. I'm thrilled. This is really cool. This is what I came to Venezuela for, you know, to film real people and real experience. So it's getting exciting now. This is a cool thing. People are reaching out to me. People are getting to know me. So yeah, I'm happy. Look, it's hopefully, you know, with God's blessing, I'm going to do big things here in Venezuela, God willing. So yeah. Anyway, today it's donuts. Tomorrow it's being sponsored by Toyota to drive all around the place.
Sí, bueno, yo vendo 50 donas para fiestas, 50 donas, 50.
Wow, so these are good. Blew my mind. These donuts are so nice. So just baked them here, fresh. They're still warm. The sauce is still all warm and gooey. They're so good. They made me a lovely coffee to enjoy. This for me is living. This is the best. What nice people. Check this out, man. The adventures I'm getting up to here, just incredible. Like what opportunities I get, man, here. It's so cool. I'm so happy. Gracias, Adriana, por eso. So I'm just, So yeah, so good. Now she's putting some Arequipe. This is called, what is Arequipe in English, Cesar? I'll go with man Cesar speaks.
It's a kind of
What is it, man?
milk sweet.
Sweet milk, condensed, like, como dulce de leche. Yeah, similar to dulce de leche, if you guys know what that is. So, caramelized condensed milk is actually what Arequipe is. Very nice. Now I've got to try one of these. Rightio, so that's a wrap. I finished filming. We've got some awesome donuts. Yeah, we had a few of these mad donuts. Nice coffee, beautiful people. An amazing day, an amazing experience. Like, check it out, man. Just nice, humble people in the house selling donuts, man. She invited me to come and help her business. It also helps me because it gives me content, gives me something to do. I actually got 2 videos out of today, filming my own little personal vlog, and a video, like a promotional style video done for her in Spanish for her donuts, and go through the whole process of how we made them. And look, I guess that's it, you know, the adventure continues, and now it's on to the next one.